Hey guys, if you need a simple iPad or tablet holder for the back seat of your car, there's this really simple headset mount car tablet holder. Even comes with a little hook, so you can hook in cables or a bag or whatever. But quite possibly, this is very simple. So you can actually play a monitor in the back or a tablet in the back seat, like Xbox or whatever else like that. I actually got it from my Xbox. So, anyways, here it is. A quick unboxing. It's very simple. It just has a tablet or a monitor holder. It holds up to like a 13-inch screen. It also has a very simple T-mount that mounts to the back seats or the passenger side seats headrest posts, which is really cool. There's a little ball mount on the front so that you just basically push that ball 360 ball mount into that thing and then mounts onto it. There is foam padding for your tablet or for your monitor, and you basically screw it on and lock it in place. It's spring loaded for the headrest post, so you just basically it's very easy to take on or off. So if you need to put your tablet or your monitor away, it's actually very simple to take this apart and put it in your trunk or something. Who knows? But anyways, it's very simple. All it takes is like a few seconds to mount, and there it goes. That little hook down there is meant for a bag or something else or accessory or something. It does clip back in, so it hides. And of course, you could adjust this thing. There's a ball mount, so you could adjust the thing at various angles. Of course, if you need something longer, there is an adjustable arm version of this, and but this is actually pretty sturdy, which is nice. Unlike the arm, which extends out, which gives you a lot more function if you're parked. This is actually better if it's like you're driving and stuff. And here's the arm version of something like this. And I like the arm one because it actually extends out. I plan to basically use this when my car is parked. So if you're planning to use this while the car is moving, I don't suggest using an extended arm because it just bounces everywhere. I would suggest getting a single T mount. Anyways, guys, this is SterlingW. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.